Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that finally Bitcoin made it. There is a new all-time high in Bitcoin. Actually, when I prepared for today's video, and just before I started recording, Bitcoin jumped to all-time high. So this whole video is not basically about Bitcoin all-time high, obviously, because there are several great news, by the way, I'm going to share with you. But let's talk about all-time high as well, just spontaneously. And the first news, by the way, it will be that Time Magazine is going to hold Bitcoin on its balance sheet. So another company which will have Bitcoin, and how and why, I'm going to explain it to you. Then another thing I would like to talk about, that the Binance allows users to trade tokenized tokens starting with Tesla. So Tesla is the number one, which you can do actually buy on Binance now, as it's tokenized with BUSD, but let's get into it a bit later. And another one is, let's talk about the five largest regulated US digital asset managers, because they hold more than $46 billion of crypto. You know, there was the Forbes list. They talked about top traditional asset managers, but let's talk about the regulated digital asset managers. So all this, guys, in today's video. And if you're new to crypto, don't forget I have a free course for you, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Check out the link under this video, and there you find this course. It's not actually a course, it's a course with several videos and all the safety steps you must do before you invest in crypto. I think a lot of useful things. And also, if you would like to get daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You know, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe, bell button, all, because then you're going to get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, you know, here you get the freshest. And now let's move on to Bitcoin and all the others on the market, because great news. Bitcoin at the present, $62,579 US, which is a new all-time high. Bitcoin up 2.6%. Look at the market. Then we have Ethereum, $2,216 US. We can see, look, the total market cap of crypto is $2,133 billion US. So very nice. Looking also so far so good. And when we're looking at the top winners now, and this actually why I'm making now this video is it's just about the changing. So XRP is 16% up, Nexo 16% up, Torchain is 13% up, and so on and so forth. So nice gains in the top 100. Some losers, yes, sure. Voyager token 14% down, PundiX 14% down, then 13% down. But now I think all eyes on Bitcoin at the present, because you know this is massive. We have waiting for it for such a long time, Bitcoin, to make it move, and now finally here we go. Look, when we're looking back to the last 3 months, here was Bitcoin back in March above 60,000, and you know, it was a while ago, which means in a bull market a while ago. So we have waited for a couple of weeks. Coinbase getting public basically tomorrow. I think it's a huge news, and it's also a nice motivation now for Bitcoin prices go up. But we have actually other great news. So far so good. And let's move on to the first one then, which is about Time Magazine is actually also holding Bitcoin on its balance sheet. So I've talked about the list so many times, you know, which companies have already Bitcoin on their balance sheet. And now it's another company add Bitcoin to it in an interesting way. So not the usual way that they jump in and, you know, they simply just like, you know, buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin's time has come, as the title says, Time Magazine to hold Bitcoin on balance sheet. Time Magazine has partnered up with Grayscale to drop a series of educational crypto videos and has agreed to pay it in Bitcoin. So this is the way how they will get Bitcoin. Further, Time does not intend to convert Bitcoin into it receives through a deal into fiat and will hold the crypto asset on its balance sheet. No further details of partnership have been revealed so far. And here you can see, by the way, the tweet that they're saying, thrilled Grayscale is partnering with Time and video series coming this summer explaining crypto space. So which is great because Blockchain Bloom, this channel is all about education in crypto. So I'm always glad when I see other, and actually Time Magazine, you know, it's like a big platform educating people about crypto, and Grayscale is founding it, paying it with Bitcoin. And the good news, the Time Magazine is not turning it to fiat, it's holding it as Bitcoin on its balance sheet. So this is another way you can get paid in crypto, and this is the way you can get crypto. So I think cool news. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is basically about Binance. And you can now buy on a Binance tokenized stock tokens with starting with Tesla, for instance. So this is their first one. We can see that Binance price is going up. You know, BNB token is going up like crazy. Think about it. When we entered in 2021, in the beginning of January, it was not even in the top 100. Top 10. Yeah, in the top 10. And now it's on the top 3 place. And actually, it's 1/3 of Ethereum's market cap already. So a massive growth in BNB. And, you know, as you can see now here in this article, you can see that Binance allows users to trade tokenized stock tokens starting with Tesla. So cryptocurrency exchange Binance is allowing to users to buy fractions of companies' shares with a new tokenized stock trading service starting with Tesla. So I think great start, nicely picked. Users will be able to purchase a little as 1/100th of Tesla share with the price settled in Binance USD, so BUSD. The exchange's native cryptocurrency coin BNB has surged more than 25% in the last 24 hours, reaching the new all-time high, $637. But right now, at the press time, the price was a bit more down. And actually, when we're looking at now, also going down Binance coin, but just because it had this significant growth. No, I just wanted to do it this way. Yeah. So you can see that actually Binance coin went down now 7%. Everything going up except BNB, but fair enough, it went up a lot recently and you know, reached new all-time high. Okay, so I think this is great news because, you know, it's a new function Binance is introducing, and therefore Binance is growing, so it's getting actually massive. And yes, if you would like to buy stock, now you can buy it in a tokenized way, starting with Tesla, and probably another great stock opportunities are coming up. Okay, guys, last news is all about that the 5 largest regulated US digital asset managers hold over $46 billion in crypto. But who are these? We have seen, you know, the Forbes list, the top traditional asset managers, but we haven't talked about basically the top regulated digital asset managers. It's worth to talk about because this is a new way, you know, as asset managers are working as digital. We're living in the digital world, so we're shifting more and more in this direction. So here you can see that the number one is now Grayscale Investments. So Grayscale is one of the largest and well-known firm in the crypto world, which founded back in 2013 by its partner organization, Digital Currency Group. Grayscale now has a total amount 40 billion in asset under management, which consists of investment in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Zcash, Stellar, Horizon, and actually more. Then we have on the second place Pantera Capital Management, founded back in 2003, and Pantera's 4 billion in asset under management is distributed among 4 main funds: liquid token fund, early stage token fund, Bitcoin fund, and venture fund. Then we have the next one. It's Bitwise Asset Manager, founded actually one of the youngest here back in 2017. This company has more than 1 billion AUM, which is concentrated in several funds: 10 crypto index funds, decentralized finance crypto index fund, Bitcoin fund, and Ethereum fund, among others. So these are the main ones. And there we have Galaxy Digital. They focusing mainly on Bitcoin and Ethereum, although they also have diverse crypto index fund. In total, Galaxy Digital AUM is more than 800 million US dollar. And finally, we have Wave Financial. And just a couple of words about them, because they are actually the smallest among these in the top 5. Wave Finance Fund is 500 million in asset under management. And it's very important to think about that these numbers are just growing, and more asset managers thinking about investing in crypto, and not just doing in the traditional way, doing this stock market and so on and so forth, but also thinking about in a digital way, and cryptocurrency. I think it's a great way. Now seeing Bitcoin new all-time high, definitely investors, keep an eye on Bitcoin, and institutional investors will join the game, and even the number of digital asset managers in crypto, I think they will grow. So guys, if you would like to stay up to date, you like this content, first smash the like button, highly appreciated, and then also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. Subscribe, bell button, all, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as I put a new video here on YouTube, because I keep you up to date from Monday to Friday. Therefore, see you tomorrow. I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.